Hey guys, yeah! Just closed a beautiful day today, one of the most interesting days in the last couple of weeks. Summertime, it's a little slow, but wow, nice trades today. I love the day. A couple of stocks that I traded today, I want to show you right here. Look, SINT, CHNG, a couple of things. I really want to give you the details over here. I closed my day over $2,000 today. One of the best days that I had over the last few weeks on the summertime trading, and I want to give you all of the details, including RKDA again that was in play. Although it was a little choppy, I was able to extract at least 15 cents because of something that happened. Come back with me, I'll show you what happened. Okay, so I just closed one of the best days that I had in the last couple of weeks. If you see here, OSTK is still moving. I'm going to try to keep this short here. If you notice right here, we had a pennant breakout. But for me, it's already enough money. I'll close my day over $2,000 today, which is one of the best days that I had in the last couple of weeks of this summertime. I'm grateful for all the profits that I've been able to extract, and the red days as well, because at least, if you try to keep your losing trades small, well, then at least not bad. If you notice right here, we were flagging right out around the open. I had it in one of the secondary windows, this thing, right at the breakout right here. If you notice, we had a flag around here, a little over this thing here. We have a high over here at 17.7. I was watching the stock. I was looking for the breakout of the opening range. And if you're going to notice right here, I'm going to show you the 5 minute real quick. Right here, this opening range, right, this candle, I was looking for a pullback here. Right out of the 50 simple moving average, we got some momentum right here in this bounce, getting a little bit of support. At the break of this candle right here, of the first red candle of the day, 1707, I took a trade here to the upside. If you notice right here, looking at this candle, it just pull back on me real quick, but I held on. I was looking for the support right here, the 50 simple moving average at the 2 minute time frame, guys, and I was able to ride this thing all the way towards, again, and I always point this out, this is so important, I never hold on to the trade. I always like getting paid on the way to the whole dollar, because most of the time we get resistance and the whole and the half dollar areas. So I will never, or I shouldn't say never, but most of the time I will not hold all the way to the top. If you notice right here, on the way up, we have at 1798 high on this candle prior to the pullback. This is a inverted hangman right here in the 2 minute time frame. And on the way there, I was already 3/4 out. And I closed that trade when it pulled back right here. I didn't want to let it run all the way down, so I closed the trade on the way down here. But I was already, I sold on strength over here, 3/4 running towards the whole dollar resistance. Now, I'm going to show you another trade that I took on RKDA. This stock was in play today, right from the morning time, but my best trade wasn't even here. I'm just gonna bring you a couple of stocks. If you notice, this thing is just really choppy since the morning, okay? But I was able to extract something out of this trade here, 15 cents. On RKDA, we had a resistance at $8.80. I'm gonna show you right here. I was looking at that resistance on the 5, right? It was a key point for me for this break. If you notice right here, after this point right here, let me show you the 1 and the 2. Try to bring it a little closer, move it a little bit. And that was the prior high right here, the pre-market high. I was looking for the breakout of the pre-market high, took it out right here on the push. If you notice, the candle right here had a push of $9.15. Although I was just trying to get paid over the whole dollar resistance here, I was able to extract 15 cents, because although I was green on the way back, when this actually flushed right away right here. If you look at this candle on the way down, it was a huge candle that dropped all the way down to $8.21. So from $9.15 to $8 right here and 21 cents. So almost $1 in one candle. Huge range, huge plunge on this thing. It was actually holding on around here when this candle was printing, but then it just flushed right away. I was able to extract 15 cents because I was getting paid all the way to the whole dollar resistance, and on the way back then I had to give something out due to, you know, the pullback. But I got, you know, 15 cents average on that trade. My best trade today, I'm gonna leave it for last because I want to show you something else as well that I traded, and it was CHNG when we had this nice breakout of this pennant over here in this consolidation. I started watching this stock. I was telling the guys on the live stream to watch it because it was really interesting. I noticed they had this nice consolidation. It was just flagging, going sideways here. At the breakout of this consolidation, if you notice this candle right here, we had a high at 1380. Nice push, and we had all the way a high of $14.40. I only had a quick scalp here. Took about 19 cents only average because it was a little bit of slower move. Right here was pretty nice and clean pattern, but still I didn't like it too much because I wasn't really expecting too much out of it, because I was looking at the candles right here at the open when I thought it was gonna have a little bit more momentum, a little bit more push. And I noticed that this candles right here, this range is just 50 cents, and just from the 50 cents, just all of this consolidation right here, it took a long time. All of these candles right here are 15 5-minute candles, and if we take the high of this candle right here, just to take a time frame here, we're gonna see that it took 50 minutes on this consolidation here. So it's crazy to wait all that time. This is the reason why I didn't like it. So I wasn't expecting too much out of it, and so I took, you know, just a couple of cents out of this one, but it's still a green trade, which I like a lot because it's been today's been great so far. I've been watching all of the other stocks, again, CVET and stuff, but the best trade that I got today was in SINT. This stock has been amazing mover as of this morning. This is something that I popped on the scanners, and it's been having the nice push over here, a little bit of consolidation. I was telling the guys I was waiting for this thing to actually print a bull flag, but if you notice right here, we have this pullback right away. So it was able to break the high of this 2-minute candle right here. I was looking for the break of this high right here, but unfortunately, if you look at this thing, it just pulled back right away. I took a small loss on a trade here, and on the way down, I noticed this consolidation around here, this flag hovering around the VWAP. When this thing actually broke, if you notice right here, if you look at the 5-minute and this consolidation right here, we had a nice push up over here, and then a little bit of consolidation around here as well. Again, guys, this is all live streamed. You can find it on the archive here. On the breakout of this nice consolidation as well, you can see this nice push all the way to a high of this candle right here that we had $3.95 and $3.96 over here. And again, guys, I on the way up to the whole dollars of support and resistance, always half dollars and whole dollars, I always like getting paid, depending of course on when I get in, but whole dollars for me are a better key support or resistance than the half dollar. Whole dollars are, for me, at least this is my personal opinion, always work a lot better as resistance than half dollars, always. But most of the time I always expect a little pullback around the areas of half dollars and whole dollars on every particular stock. But if you look at right here, pretty nice clean formations on the push. I was looking for the support right here as well. And let me take you back for a second to show you. I was looking at the 1-minute time frame around here when this thing actually moved to hold us around here. And if you notice the low of this candle right here, we have 280, and then we have another 280 here, another 280 right here. So, you know, it was just hovering around 280 for the support. This is what I was waiting for, and I was telling the guys on the live stream. 280 held, went sideways for a couple of minutes, and then just pushed up right here at the breakout of this pennant on the 2 minutes. And I was watching the 2 minute and the 1 minute, and then we had this nice consolidation right here for the small pennant as well over here. if you look at the higher these candles right here, you got 350 here, you got another 350 here on this one, you got 350, 349 here, and another 349 here. So $0.50 resistance around here as well. The breakout, you could take this and you could put it straight if you like to, and you can have this pennant right here with this consolidation going just sideways. But overall, beautiful day for me. Green day, over $2,000 today. Worked out pretty well for me, and I just wanted to bring you the recap. I'm pretty happy with today's result, and I would like to let you know, guys, that I on the watch list for the daily, I have DVAX and VAX, still an MRKR that I just added yesterday. Guys, if you appreciate what I'm doing, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And please just connect with me over traderscotland.com. It's an online community, all free access over there. So just connect. Let's just connect and share ideas together. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day, and happy trading, guys.